Motorcar Classics has unveiled an extraordinary Restomod, the 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS, blending classic muscle car aesthetics with modern performance upgrades. This stunning build stands as a testament to automotive craftsmanship, making it one of the most eye-catching and powerful muscle cars on the market today. For those who appreciate the fusion of timeless design and modern engineering, this 1970 Chevelle SS Restomod is sure to impress. The Chevelle name has long been synonymous with American muscle, particularly the SS models. The 1970 Chevelle SS is one of the most sought-after classics, and this Restomod is no exception. Finished in a striking deep forest green metallic with contrasting white accents on the cowl induction hood and trunk lid, this Chevelle SS delivers a perfect blend of nostalgia and innovation. The car's exterior is further enhanced with pristine chrome detailing, giving it a sharp, classic appearance. Inside, the custom green interior of the hardtop model complements the exterior paint, creating a cohesive look. The attention to detail is evident, with the car featuring a complete nuts and bolts restoration combined with the installation of modern performance parts. The standout feature is the 540 CI balanced and blueprinted big block Chevy V8 engine, which cranks out an impressive 675 horsepower sent to the rear wheels via a Tremec TKO 600 5-speed manual transmission. This engine setup offers thrilling acceleration and performance that would put many modern sports cars to shame. The Restomod also boasts a GM 12-bolt 3.73 Eaton TrueTrack post-C rear end, ensuring power is efficiently transferred to the wheels for maximum traction. Handling is greatly improved thanks to the RideTech suspension setup, which provides both comfort and performance. For braking power, the Chevelle is equipped with a hydro boost system paired with 14-inch Willwood drilled and slotted rotors and 6-piston calipers, providing exceptional stopping power. Custom Budnik wheels, ceramic-coated Hooker Blackheart long tube headers, and a stainless Borla exhaust system further enhance the car's performance and visual appeal. Additional upgrades include LED headlights with ring DRLs, billet specialties polished aluminum serpentine system, and functional cowl induction hood. The car also features an Autometer electronic gauge cluster and custom Budnik steering wheel, ensuring that both the look and feel of the driving experience are top-notch. What makes this Chevelle Restomod truly remarkable is how it blends the charm of the original with modern performance and technology. This car would not be out of place at a car show, and its performance on the quarter-mile drag strip would give even the newest Corvette Z06 a run for its money. With a price tag of $115,900, it sits just above the price of a new Chevy Corvette Z06, making it a serious contender in the performance car market. In addition to this 1970 Chevelle SS Restomod, Motorcar Classics also has two 1969 Chevelle SS models available. One features the 396 L35 V8 with a 4-speed Hurst transmission, priced at $89,900, while the other comes with a 496 Blueprint motor and Muncie M21 transmission, priced at $64,900. Whether you're looking for a top-of-the-line Restomod or a classic Chevelle, Motorcar Classics has something for every muscle car enthusiast. For those considering whether this 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS Restomod is worth the investment, the answer is clear. It represents a perfect mix of classic appeal and modern performance, making it an unforgettable addition to any collection.